So in order to have an excavator come in, we need to get a survey. To get a survey, we need to mow this mess, which has been growing unchecked for years. So we rented a Bobcat with a Bush Hog, started going, we were doing fine, making progress, and then disaster struck.
Well, my Bobcat's stuck. It's been stuck for an hour and a half now. This sucks. I really wish I had the one with tracks instead of wheels right now, but they didn't mention that. I guess I should have asked what the benefit would be of having tracks on a somewhat damp day. Anyway, I got the front tipped up so we can put some boards under there. This is kind of like the last hurrah. Then I'm gonna have to, I don't know what happens. I just rent this thing indefinitely for the rest of my life and leave it here.
We ultimately had to get another Bobcat with a Bush Hog and try again another day. We picked a much drier day this time, needless to say, and everything went much smoother. In spite of her allergies, my wife kicked some serious butt on the Bush Hog, and we were able to get everything cleared off and ready for the survey.